What's up everyone? In this video I'll tell you what to do if you want to add your Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. Now, unfortunately, you cannot directly add your Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. You can, however, still add normal debit and credit cards, but not Visa gift cards. And there are some reasons why you cannot do this. First, there are the prepaid and temporary card limitations, also the limited fraud protection, and finally, the lack of a name and billing address of the card. So for these reasons, unfortunately, you cannot add your gift card, your Visa gift card, to your Apple Wallet as you might do with normal debit and credit cards. The solution is that you can use your Visa gift card on the website that you are purchasing on by entering the card number and all the information directly in your website instead of adding them to your Apple Wallet, and make the purchase normally on the browser itself on the website you are buying from.